LendingClub Loans Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our honest review of LendingClub Loans. If you're considering using LendingClub to meet your financial needs, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know before making a decision. LendingClub is a peer-to-peer lending platform designed to connect borrowers with investors. It offers personal loans ranging from $1,000 to $40,000 with repayment terms of 3 or 5 years. The standout feature of LendingClub is its focus on unsecured loans, meaning no collateral is required. Borrowers with fair to good credit scores, typically starting at 600, will find LendingClub most appealing. Its primary audience includes individuals consolidating debt, funding home improvement projects, or covering unexpected expenses. One of LendingClub's strengths is its straightforward online application process. Borrowers can check their rate without impacting their credit score, thanks to a soft credit pull. Once approved, funds are typically deposited within a few business days. LendingClub also provides transparency with fixed interest rates, which range from 8.05% to 36%, depending on your creditworthiness and loan term. However, it's worth noting the origination fee, which can range from 3% to 6% of the loan amount. This fee is deducted up front, so factor it into your borrowing needs. Additionally, LendingClub allows joint applications, making it a good option if you want to improve your chances of approval or secure a lower rate by applying with a co-borrower. Now for the drawbacks. LendingClub isn't ideal for those with poor credit, as the interest rates can become prohibitively high at the upper end of the spectrum. The origination fee can also be a downside for borrowers comparing alternatives with no fees. Additionally, while LendingClub offers flexibility in loan purposes, it doesn't provide same-day funding, so it's not the best option for urgent financial needs. In conclusion, LendingClub is an excellent choice for borrowers with fair to good credit who need a personal loan with fixed terms and predictable payments. It's particularly useful for debt consolidation, as you can consolidate multiple debts into one monthly payment, potentially at a lower interest rate. However, if you're looking for a no-fee option, have poor credit, or need funds immediately, LendingClub might not be the right fit. Ultimately, LendingClub's strengths lie in its transparent process, competitive rates for qualified borrowers, and joint application option. But always shop around and read the fine print to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. That's our honest take. If you've used LendingClub or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.